Guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can add a Hebrew alternate calendar on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, you want to swipe up to go down and tap on Calendar. Next, we go down and tap on Alternate Calendars. Then tap on Hebrew. And then tap on the back key to go back to Settings. Swipe up to go back to the home screen. Now, if you open up the Calendar app, below the actual date is the Hebrew date below. And that is how you can turn on or add in the Hebrew alternate calendar on the iPhone 14 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.